Hello, friends. Welcome to our simple English channel for A1, A2 learners. Today, we have a special dialogue between two friends, Mark and Brian. They talk about bad videos on TV and YouTube. Hey, Brian. Long time no see. How are you? Hi, Mark. Honestly, not so good today. Really? What happened? You look tired. I am tired. I didn't sleep well last night. I watched videos until very late. What kind of videos? That's the problem. I started with funny videos. Then the app showed me another video. Then another. Slowly, the videos became darker. Crime videos, fighting videos, very violent things. Oh no. How long did you watch? Maybe 3 hours. I wanted to stop, but I couldn't. It was like I was stuck. I know that feeling. The app keeps showing you more and more. You forget the time. Yes, and now, today, I feel strange inside. Angry, nervous, like something is wrong, but I don't know what. Those bad videos did that to you. What we watch goes inside our heart and our mind. Bad videos bring bad feelings. I didn't think it was so serious. I thought it's just a video. Many people think that, but our brain doesn't know the difference between a real thing and a video. It sees violence and it feels fear and anger. Real fear, real anger. That explains this morning then. I was eating breakfast, and my little sister asked me a simple question, and I shouted at her for nothing. She started to cry. Oh, Brian. I know. I felt so bad after. I said sorry, but it wasn't like me. I'm not an angry person. Those bad videos changed something in me. They do that, slowly and quietly. You don't notice at first. Then one day, you shout at your sister for no reason and you think, who am I becoming? Exactly. That's exactly how I felt. Who am I becoming? I don't want to be this person. Good. That feeling, that question is important. It means your heart is still good. It means you still know the difference between right and wrong. But what do? I can't just forget what I watched. No, you can't forget, but you can fill your heart with better things. Let me ask you something. Imagine a glass. It has dirty water inside, dark and dirty. That dirty water is like the bad feelings from those bad videos. Anger, fear, hate, darkness. Okay, I see the picture. Now, if you pour clean, fresh water into the glass, what happens? The dirty water goes away, little by little? Yes. The more clean water you pour, the less dirty water stays, until the glass is clean again. And the clean water is religion, prayer, God's words, good community. These things are the clean water for your heart. I like that picture. It's easy to understand. My teacher told me that. I never forgot it. But Mark, I have a question. I'm not very religious. I pray sometimes, but not every day. Can religion still help me? Of course. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Even 5 minutes of prayer in the morning helps. Even reading 2 or 3 lines from a holy book. Small steps are still steps. Really? I always thought I had to do everything perfectly or it doesn't count. No. God looks at your heart. If your heart is trying, that is enough. Start small. Grow slowly. That makes me feel better. I always stopped praying because I thought, I'm not doing it right. Many people think that. But religion is not a test you pass or fail. It is a relationship. Like friendship. You don't stop being my friend because you said the wrong thing one day. True.
Same with God. Keep trying. Keep coming back. That is what matters. Okay, but tell me more. How exactly does prayer help with bad feelings? Peacefully, slow. When you pray, you stop. You breathe. You remember something bigger than your problems, bigger than your anger. You remember God is there, and that brings peace. Like pressing pause on the bad feelings? Yes, good way to say it. Pressing pause. And in that pause, you choose something better.
I had really bad dreams last night, too. I saw the violent scenes from the bad videos in my sleep. I woke up scared. That is very normal. Our brain stores pictures. Everything we see, it keeps somewhere. When we sleep, it plays those pictures again. That's why what we watch before bed is very important. So, watching dark videos before sleeping is the worst time? Probably yes. Your brain takes those pictures directly into your dreams. Try to read something good before sleep, or pray, or listen religious words. I never thought about that. I always watch videos in bed before sleeping. A lot of people do. It feels relaxing, but the brain is actually working very hard. And if the videos are dark, the brain gets stressed. Okay, no more bad videos in bed. I will try that. Good. Small change, big difference. My grandmother always said something like this. She said, "What you put in your heart at night stays with you in the morning." Your grandmother is very wise. She was. She passed away 2 years ago, but I still remember her words. She always prayed before bed, every single night. She never missed. And how was she, as a person? She was the most peaceful person I knew. Nothing made her angry for long. She forgave everyone. She was always calm, even when life was hard. That is the fruit of a life with religion. Peace, patience, forgiveness. Those things don't come from bad videos. They come from years of prayer and faith. I want to be like her, but I feel so far from that right now. You are not far. You are just at the beginning. She was also at the beginning once. Did you ever have this problem, Mark? With dark videos or bad feelings? Honestly, yes. A few years ago, I watched a lot of violent movies and dark content. I thought it was just entertainment, but I became more aggressive, more negative. I saw the world as a dangerous, ugly place. What changed for you? I had a big argument with my father, a very bad one. I said things I didn't mean. He was very hurt. After, I sat alone, and I thought, this is not me. This is not who I want to be. That was my moment. What did you do? I went back to praying regularly. I deleted a lot of apps from my phone. I started reading again, not just holy books, but good books in general. I joined a small group at my place of worship, people who talked about real things, good things. And it helped? It took time, maybe 2 or 3 months before I really felt different. But yes, the anger got smaller. I became more patient. I stopped seeing the world as a dark place. 2 or 3 months. That's not so long for a big change. No, it's not long at all. And every week felt a little better than the one before. I want to try, but I'm scared I'll fail. I'll get bored and watch those bad videos again. You probably will, once or twice, maybe more. That's okay. The important thing is you come back. You don't give up. Like pouring the clean water again. Exactly. Even if some dirty water comes back in, you just pour more clean water. You don't throw away the glass. Okay, I need a plan. What should I do first? Tonight? Tonight before bed, don't open those bad videos. I know it's hard. When you feel the urge, pick up your phone and open a prayer app instead, or read 1 page of a holy book, or just sit quietly and talk to God in your own words. No special language needed. I can do that.
Just talk to God in my own words? Yes, God understands every language, even the language of a tired, confused person who doesn't know what to say. That's actually comforting. I always thought prayer had to be formal, memorized words. Memorized words are good too, but a real conversation is also prayer. God, I feel angry and I don't want to. Please help me. That is a prayer. Simple as that? Simple as that. I'll go home now. No bad videos tonight. I'll pray and I'll sleep earlier. Good plan. And Brian, don't be too hard on yourself. You noticed the problem. You want to change. That is already something big. My grandmother would be proud of this conversation. I think she's already proud of you for asking the right questions. Good heart comes from God, not from bad videos. Write that down. Put it on your wall. I will. See you Thursday, Mark. See you Thursday. Take care of that heart. I will. Thank you, my friend.
Hello, friends. Welcome to shadowing practice. In shadowing, I say a word or sentence, you listen, then you say it with me or after me, just like an echo. Are you ready? Let us begin. Our first word is violent. 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 Say it with me. Violent. Now listen to the full sentence. Bad videos are violent. Bad videos are violent. Now you say it. Bad videos are violent. Very good. One more time together. Bad videos are violent. Our second word is aggressive. 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 Say it with me. Aggressive. Now the full sentence. After watching bad videos, I felt aggressive. After watching bad videos, I felt aggressive. Now you say it. After watching bad videos, I felt aggressive. Well done. One more time together. After watching bad videos, I felt aggressive. Our third word is community. 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 Say it with me. Community. Now the full sentence. Good community makes your heart stronger. Good community makes your heart stronger. Now you say it. Good community makes your heart stronger. Beautiful. One more time together. Good community makes your heart stronger. Our fourth word is patience. 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 Say it with me. Patience. Now the full sentence. Religion teaches us patience. Religion teaches us patience. Now you say it. Religion teaches us patience. Excellent. One more time together. Religion teaches us patience. Our fifth word is forgive. 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 Say it with me. Forgive. Now the full sentence. Forgiveness cleans your heart and brings peace. Forgiveness cleans your heart and brings peace. Now you say it. Forgiveness cleans your heart and brings peace. Wonderful. One more time together. Forgiveness cleans your heart and brings peace. Our sixth phrase is violent content. Violent content. Violent content. Say it with me. Violent content. Our seventh word is replace. 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 Say it with me. Replace. Now the full sentence. Replace bad videos with prayer and good words. Replace bad videos with prayer and good words. Now you say it. Replace bad videos with prayer and good words. Perfect. One more time together. Replace bad videos with prayer and good words. Our 8th word is restless. 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 Say it with me. Restless. Now the full sentence. Bad videos make us feel restless and scared. Bad videos make us feel restless and scared. Now you say it. Bad videos make us feel restless and scared. Well done. One more time together. Bad videos make us feel restless and scared. Now let us do a final shadowing round. I say the sentence once, you say it right after me. Ready? Bad videos bring bad feelings. Religion brings peace to your heart. Good community makes you stronger. Replace dark things with good things. Forgiveness cleans your heart. Start small and grow slowly. God looks at your heart. Take care of your heart every day. You did very well today, friends. Shadowing practice helps your mouth remember the words, not just your eyes, not just your ears, your mouth too. Keep practicing every day. Little by little, you will speak English naturally, just like pouring clean water into a glass. Every day a little more clean, every day a little more clear. See you in the next lesson. Take care of your heart.
Thank you for watching and reading this dialogue. Mark and Brian learned that bad videos on TV and YouTube put bad feelings in our heart. These feelings make us do bad things. But we have hope. Only religion can help us diminish these bad effects. Prayer, faith, and God's words clean our heart. Remember, protect your heart. Choose what you watch. Fill your heart with light, not darkness. Be strong in your religion. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Write in the comments, I choose prayer and good things. See you next time. May God bless you and keep your heart peaceful. Good heart, happy life.